Number two, I've been struggling with that child on my own as much as I am a single mother. But nangelanga lomhlola zakhe athi I went to bed ngadlile. Nangelanga lomhlola zakhe athi ndeni mina I don't dress up. Umrungu ugcoka ukudlula wonke umuntu. Umrungu has everything ayifuna life in.
Hayi ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje silandele yena umrungwa. Sibone ukuthi siphuma kanjani.
Hayi
akutholakala yena mathupha.
Yeah.
Right.
Kena mongwe ke dula Hetlelbe ke rathanda ke dula le moa ka Malhlohonolo.
Uye lo le phansi.
Seyagula.
Lutho akafuna ukuzambela ufuna
Pamkukela pochiyani.
Mrungu sami.
like now she's being more disrespectful. You understand? Like ke ka se re ke fihla ke re ba o batla and then wa be o re then ke mang, why wasn't I told?
Asami. Wasala.
Bambara esandleni.
Ngeke ngizohlula lo muntu, kukani lo muntu man. Azositshela kahle ukuthi what is the problem.
Hayi miyeke